guys, I started without you. I'm currently digging my ditch a little lower so that way the water kind of stays in the ditch, not on the driveway. I thought today was a perfect day for that just because it's not raining and the dirt's easy to work with. So currently the water's coming off the field. See a little bit there and probably a little bit there, but regardless, you know, it's I'm gonna let this keep draining down my driveway, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be using my Kioti KB2475L Backhoe and have it start working for me. So we're gonna be doing my ditch line about, I don't know, about quarter way up. And then we'll move all this dirt to the side and wait for another day until it gives me a good day to work and fill in this driveway. I was kind of hoping I had this finished by now, but just the weather's not cooperating with me. So, and then also lack of time now with being back on night. So just do by day type of thing. So I'm gonna get started on this again, and if you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and God bless. So I just kind of want to explain myself a little bit here and what I did. I was digging my ditch out. I didn't want to get too crazy with it because I don't want to make it too deep. And then not only that, so when I dug it out, I could easily done it with the hoe and smooth it out with the hoe as I go, but I'd rather just done it this way just because the edges of the dirt will just fold back into the ditch anyhow. So I want to use a front loader and pull back the corners so the water can easily run back in and not take my dirt with it, and then plug up my driveway pipe at the end. And this is a section I kind of missed on purpose because of that. I'll come to it here after this video. But you can clearly tell the difference is on the way I did down here where I missed it, and then started here. It's just going to get stopped and just not an even flow the whole way down. I just want to clean it up, the edges, that way the edges ain't falling back in. So that's the reason why I did it this way. And it's gonna hold up better far as like the water just keep going. It's to go, stop, go, stop, go, stop. So it does make it more of a mess, but it's going to be a mess anyhow. So I'm trying to not get my neighbor's house in it now that I think about it. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is clean this up. And I kind of want to do it now because I want to see if I miss something where the water is still rolling. I can catch it before it gets dry. And so I'm going to keep working on it. And if you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. So I'm going to keep working on it. Thank you, and God bless.